Yeah, so what is it? Here's a video while your Ford Expedition probably won't crank up. Oh, let me hold the video camera straight. This my brother's. What is it? You just got a bad running. You gotta get tagged and everything, but what is it? Yeah, we supposed to be getting back on the road. We had to buy a battery for it and everything, but let me get straight to the point. Here's the reason why your Ford Expedition won't crank up, or even Ford F-150s. They got a safety mechanism. When you slam a door or a trunk so hard, it'll shut off the gas because they think you've been in a crash because your car set on fire. That's why I said, oh, I kind of love Fords. And here's how you fix it. Well, your car won't crank up. It's a little button right there. In there, that little gas button. You probably can't see it. But you press that 2 or 3 times and it should crank back up. It's just a safety feature. Like usually this happen when people be on the hill. Usually this happen when people be on the hill or something and they slam either their doors or their trunk so hard that it shut off the gas. Because Ford had a thing where it had a safety mechanism feature. So basically they think you've been in a crash if you slam something so hard. So it cut off the gas so your car won't explode and it won't catch on fire. And I learned that, so other people might not know that. So I just wanted to make this video to teach you, even though there's some videos out there. I wanted to make my own personal one. Alright, subscribe to my channel.